H12-2. Beautiful entrance. I mean, it's only an H, I know, but if you can get all your entrances like that, especially the ones with grips or sections of it, that would be fantastic and really nicely into the 12. Okay, B slot 2. After the first one, Felipe, they're really good. There's a couple of things happening here. It's tough for you on the build, partly because of the close of the 12. You have a lot of extra energy. I feel like sometimes at the end, you see this picture that you guys have here, how tight you are. At this point, so you've done, let's see, you make your move out. So now you do your 360, and now both people should stop. And it's just, we've got a little bit of extra momentum coming into the close. Anyway, so 2, really good move at the start, Felipe. Fred, look at this move here. The later ones are better, but that input there is over the top. And it just pushes the piece into the glass. And then Felipe, looking over your shoulder, you kind of stop and then head switch, and that completely stops the piece as well. So it's partly Fred driving it into the wall, but it's also you as you snap your head around, the piece completely stops. So just remember you've got that initial move on the 2, and then now the second move comes in now. And keep your head straight. You don't need to be quite so aggressive with holding your head over that side. Just keep your spine straight, and your last little move is a push through there. I almost feel like I didn't need to mention it because the later ones are so much better. All right, this is a constant issue on the build of the 12. Manuel, you need to be thinking about where's my hip so that Felipe can pick you up first. And Felipe obviously be picking up Manuel first, but it's got to be there. So we lose some points there. 12s are looking much better, I like it. A slot 2s, looking very good. Cool. And then just be ready, be anticipating here, Felipe, be really anticipating about staying on the axis. You have that little backup just from the momentum at the end of the block, and you just got to be working hard to just hold your ground. And in this case, because of the momentum, the centrifugal force here is taking you in this direction. You need to be working against that, maybe pressing your arms together tight, just thinking a little bit forwards. Yeah, but as I said, after that first B slot 2, they're looking really good. I hadn't seen any 2s for a while in B slot, so, and I know you had problems before. It's good to see that better. There you go, Manuel, same thing again. Don't worry about where your hand is, think about where your hip is. Okay, back pair looking nice on the 12s. Cool. I want to use this as an example on the 12 on how to do it. So we've got a really good build. We've got Felipe presenting that grip, so it's easy for Manuel to go 1, 2. Then we have the first target out to here. There we go, there's the box picture. Manuel, that's nice and balanced. And then you guys just pressing into each other and spinning the piece 360, and then it comes to a stop. That's exactly how I see this piece needs to be done, guys, this both pieces. So we've got out to here. There's the box picture. That lets you guys know on the front that you've done your first little translation. Now the front can just spin 360 in place, and it's up to the back to deliver themselves ready for the grip. Very nicely done, guys. Same again. And Felipe, it almost looks like you're targeting an inside grip first. Maybe you're expecting Manuel to be there, but it looks like you're looking that way. You should be looking here. Cool. So we've lost that thing where on the previous time that I debriefed your 12s, where it looked like the front pair was looking at the other piece and trying to meet them. Now you guys are just staying in place. You're in a small tunnel. You haven't got anywhere to go. If you can just make that shift and spin, you guys are going to be all over it. If you come to a bigger tunnel, we'll have to talk again. But for now, that's working really good. Nice, guys.